Hello, Jutta family. Here's Strudel and her babies. They grow so quickly. They moving about. And Giannis, he's trying to see if the tiny little babies can be with Strudel for some time. They are much smaller, so these are still supervised visits, if you like, and they are still mainly bottle fed because they need that, and Strudel doesn't seem to be as attentive as Naya was. Although she's still a very good mama and she's not rejecting them, the tiny ones need one-to-one care. Unfortunately, out of the 4, one of them already arrived unresponsive or seemingly weak. The little one has passed away. His behavior was already showing signs of fading. But the other little 3, we are hopeful. They are tiny, tiny, tiny. But we are hopeful. I mean, compared to Strudel's babies, it's a big difference. Look at them. They all over, investigating, looking around. So the tiny ones spend a little time with Strudel, but still go back to their little carrier. And they still bottle fed. Thank you very much, Jutta family, for all your support.